Hello guys, welcome to my channel Savvy Techno. Today I am showing that how to create our self ringtone by our name. Just click it on Google, then search self ringtone by our name. Then you will see name ringtone marker. Then you can go create your name ringtone here. Then I will choose Savvy Techno, my channel name, and I will choose please pick up the call. You can choose anything. Someone is calling you, you have a call, you just received a text message, add your custom message. Guys, I will pick the please pick up the call, and I will choose iPhone ringtone. You can choose anything. Here you have options. I choose iPhone ringtone, make a ringtone. It's generating. Then you should go like this. Okay, I will give a sound. You just hear it.
Sweet Techno, please pick up the call. Sweet Techno, please pick up.
26 seconds. I can't hear that 26 seconds. 26 seconds. Sorry for that delay. Then download it in MP3. It has been downloaded. Then go for, if you have MP3 cutter app, you can go directly. If you don't have, you should download it. Okay, I will go for MP3 cutter. Here is the Savvy Techno, please pick up the call. I will choose that. Okay, got it. Here guys.
Sweet Techno, please pick up the call. Sweet Techno, please pick up.
Have you been heard? Then go back. This ad will come in, just a stupid app. Then you can choose anything. Edit, set as default alarm, set as default notification, set as default ringtone, and then you can share file and delete. I am not doing anything because I am showing that I did yesterday only. Okay guys, thanks for seeing my channel. Then like and subscribe and give my channel all videos. You will get a notification by pressing all bell button. Okay guys, bye, and like and subscribe.